I have a successful YouTube channel that generates $10,000 in passive income every month. It has earned me over $200,000. This channel has allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job and work on my own terms. If I was starting from scratch today, here's what I would do. First and foremost, just getting started, even by setting up your channel, gets you halfway there. Make a banner with a nice design that describes what you do for a profile photo. You will become known for this. We'll need to start producing videos after that. You have a choice between two options here. The first option is to create them on your own with the use of AI technologies, but doing so can take a lot of time and lead to early burnout. Putting together a team is the second route, which is also my favorite strategy. You've obviously heard of the typical Fiverr and Upwork pairing, but Twitter is a terrific place to start, in my opinion. Online jobs. Fee is another winner. A copywriter, a voice actor, a video editor, and a thumbnail designer will be on your team. Once you have chosen your team, gather everyone on Skype or Discord and start corresponding with them. If your channel is successful, this will eventually take the place of your 9-to-5 job. It's essential to communicate with your team and assign tasks. Now we'll find trending topics in your niche, then come up with a video title to send to your copywriter. They will then write the entire script for you. Usually, 1,000 words make for a 5-minute video and 2,000 for a 10-minute one. Next, send that script to your voice over artist. Once that's done, you will send both the script and voice over to your video editor, who will start making the video for you. In the meantime, get your thumbnail artist to start coming up with concepts that you can use for your video. After a few days, you should have your first video ready to upload to YouTube. Finding something you have or can offer an audience that others can't will help you stand out on YouTube. Make your channel more competitive by conducting a market analysis. This could involve engaging storytelling, strong branding, original video editing, in-depth subject research, a sense of humor, relatability, diversity, and a lot more. It's crucial to keep learning and growing once you've got things going and the views are starting to dribble in, whether through freely available YouTube materials or by spending money on courses and other schooling to expand your skills and expertise. Just remember, it doesn't matter how many times your videos fail, each upload will make you better at your craft. You only have to get it right once. One viral video can change your life. Here's the first video that went viral on my channel, with 20 million views uploaded 3 years ago, and it makes me $20,000 every year in passive income. As I mentioned earlier, even smaller channels are making huge waves in the YouTube game. Click this video here, where I will reveal some of these channels and exactly what they're doing to make them explode.